this. This one has 2 elevators. Sycamore Medical West Building. Wow. Look at that. The handrails are still at the original height. This one is hospital sized. It's got optical eyes too. Cheers. Dover. 4,000 pound capacity on this one. Nice old dated cab. It's a new key switch. The tiny one. The normal size Dover. Oh, traditional up here. Oh, wow. Oh, it's one of these. I feel like I'm riding in a sketchy motel elevator for this one. What the fuck? Very interesting set of elevators. I like the other one better. This one is very, very beat up. Like significantly more beat up. Still has the door logo.